So after eating Christmas food and New Year rice with plenty stew, you start having severe cough that prevent you from sleeping, or you have been having this cough for a very long time, that after eating certain food you are having a severe cough that even stop you from sleeping, or while sleeping the cough wake you and you cannot sleep again till the next day. Or you are having a burning sensation in your throat after eating certain food. Worry no more. Stay to the end of the video. Let's discuss gastroesophageal reflux. Don't worry about the long name I will explain. Gastro means the stomach or anything related to the stomach, and the esophagus means the throat. This throat connect our mouth to the stomach, and at the junction between the stomach and this our throat there is a sphincter. This sphincter is like a closure, and our stomach constantly secreting an acid. The name of this acid is hydrochloric acid. It is very corrosive, like the any normal acid that you know, that if you add it or you it touches your skin, it can burn it. So people with this condition, when they eat certain food, it will either relax the sphincter, or it will increase the secretion of this acid so that it can come up. So when this acid come up, especially when you are lying down at night, it will touches the airway, then it will trigger cough. The cough is just like a protective mechanism so that your airway can be clear. But this acid constantly coming up, that is why you are having a repeated cough. And then the burning sensation is as a result of the acid burning your throat. So if you are having this condition, please join me in my next video. I'll tell you what to do, the type of food that you should avoid temporarily, and the lifestyle modification so that you can get rid of this condition once and for all. Thank you.